Hey, I'm gonna do a video of my little tiny fireworks. First, I have some glowworms, some black snakes, more black snakes, more black snakes, and color snakes. More color snakes. More color snakes. And more glowworms. More glowworms. A lot of snakes. That all like 6 of them. Like I got all these for 6 weeks. All of those. I mean for 89 cents or 87. And I have almost a full pack snappers, but we used full pack snappers. Party popper. And this party popper, I don't know what's in it. I don't know. It's like I've seen the other ones. And a piece of paper. That's not it. But I have more. There's a piece of paper in there. A booby trap. Another booby trap. Hold up. Homemade M80 with gunpowder. And a real big snapper. Whole box of snappers. And there goes what's in the I took it out, and that's the same thing as a booby trap. There was another one. Okay. Keep unboxing the screen. This is little though. Well, that one's pretty big, but that one's longer. And what's this called? Homemade ring fuse, and just a regular snapper. Another snapper. And that's it. Bye, guys.